Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. To activate silent mode, you should click here once on the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher again. Here we can see that when the silent mode is activated, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. So we have the second way how we can do that. Just mute your device ringtone volume panel by this way, and after that just if you wanna turn off silent mode, unmute ringtone volume panel. Also how the third way how we can do that, just open notification panel and here find the silent mode icon. To activate silent mode, click on the icon. To turn it off, tap on the icon again. And one more way how we can do that, just here on the left side of your device we have two volume buttons. Press one or up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on this bell icon once to activate silent mode, and to turn it off, click on the bell icon again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.